As much as WeedMaps stock went up yesterday, they seem to be facing a couple problems that I think are holding it back. Let's talk about it. Hi y'all, my name is Greg and I make videos about the stock market and options trading. Today, we're talking about WeedMaps stock again and a couple issues that they're facing right now. But before we get into it, if you want me to make more updates on WeedMaps stock, let me know by leaving a like down below and subscribe if you're new to the channel. With that out of the way, let's talk about WeedMaps. The first problem that WeedMaps stock seems to be facing right now is availability. Maps isn't available across every brokerage yet, and this is kind of a growing pain that you have to deal with whenever a SPAC de-SPACs. It takes a couple days for some brokerages in order to switch the ticker symbol from SSBK to MAPS. A couple of the known brokerages that haven't switched this over yet have been Interactive Brokers, which is an international brokerage that would allow anybody across the world to invest into maps. And then you have Webull, arguably the second most popular brokerage right behind Robinhood, who also isn't allowing the trading of maps right now. I believe that TD Ameritrade, the brokers that I have right behind me for my charts, also isn't allowing for the trading of options on maps right now, but they are allowing for the trading of shares. But what does this all mean for the stock? Well, they're suppressing the volume. All the retail traders that are using these different brokerages aren't able to buy into maps yet, so this is keeping the volume artificially lower. Yesterday though, WeedMaps was traded over 900,000 times. This was a record over the last few months, and this is more than triple the average volume that they've seen over the last 30 days. So even without all these brokerages that haven't listed maps yet, we're still seeing a ton of new volume and a lot more demand for this stock than we were seeing before. And I think that once we see maps available on every single brokerage, we're easily going to see the volume in the multi-millions. I said in my last video, I expect the volume to be at minimum 3 million shares per day, and I think that this will be easy to achieve once we have all of these brokerages available. The second issue that Maps seems to be facing right now is not being able to post on Wall Street Bets. Now there's a lot of mixed feelings about Wall Street Bets. Some people think that it's a pump and up station, but there's no doubting that once you make it trending on Wall Street Bets, your stock can really gain some traction. Right now the mods over on Wall Street Bets aren't allowing us to post our due diligence on WeedMaps stock because there's some issues with the market cap. You see, whenever you have a SPAC merger, there's a period of time where there's a lot of confusion around the market cap. Some brokerages will just take the market cap from the old ticker, which was around like $500–700 million for SSBK, when in reality, WeedMaps has a market cap of $3 billion right now. The mods over on Wall Street Bets are saying that you can't post about a stock if it has less than a $1 billion market cap. So since there's a lot of confusion around the market cap right now, we can't post about the stock, and I think this is really holding us back. But even though we're not able to post about WeedMaps yet over on Wall Street Bets, we still made it trending. MAPS was one of the most popular tickers that was mentioned over on the daily discussion, and that's thanks to our broccoli gang over on r/WeedMaps Investor Club. So shout out to them. It seems like even with all the suppression though from brokerages and Wall Street Bets, we still seem to be headed in the right direction. And I think once we deal with all of these growing pains related to de-SPACing, WeedMaps stock is really set to take off. I still have my $40 price target. I'm planning to take profits along the way with my call options. And if you want to know the next time I trade WeedMaps or any other stock, I post all my trades over on my premium Discord, link down in my Patreon, down in the pinned comment below. I want to say thank you to all my patrons for the support, and thank you for making it all the way to the end of this video. And as always, remember to stay positive, stay green. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.